Hey guys, we're working on a 2003 Honda Odyssey or any Honda V6, and if you have any random misfire, uh, check the EGR passengers that they have right there, and then see all of them, how they look, and make sure you clean the leak or the cover. This is the passengers of the EGR holes. Make sure you clean it because this has a lot of carbon buildup, like everywhere, every line. See how they are, and see, I'll clean this a little bit. See, this is the one, that one, and see how it's clock up. Look. If you have any like any misfiring, like number 5 or number 3 or number 4, or any random misfire, make sure you check those.